the Caribbean is in a cost of living crisis. According to the latest figures from the Caribbean Food Security and Livelihood Survey report, persons in the region who are still heavily affected by the global COVID-19 pandemic are the most affected. Here's more from Ayanna Carter.
The fifth round of the Caribbean Food Security and Livelihood Survey report, conducted by the World Food Programme and CARICOM, showed that many households in the region are unable to adequately provide food, energy, financial and other essential needs for their families. According to Food and Agriculture Sub-Regional Coordinator for the Caribbean, Renata Clark, people need to find smarter, efficient ways to produce food to ensure food security.
The cost of a healthy diet in the Caribbean is among the highest in the world. We cannot be thinking about short-term protectionism that puts local food on the market, but also raises prices for consumers.
Representative and Country Director for the World Food Programme, Regis Chapman, says 57% of people in the English-speaking Caribbean, which represents 4.1 million people, are estimated to be food insecure, a 20% increase over a 6-month period.
And while there are significant calls to change that dynamic, such as CARICOM's 25 by 25 initiative, which is reducing the food import bill by 25% by the year 2025, the situation really warrants an urgent need to finally prioritize that reduction of imports.
And CARICOM Assistant Secretary General Joseph Cox notes that despite government's awareness of inflation and measures to keep the prices of goods and services low, there's only so much that can be done on that level.
The survey results that have been presented today, along with the realities highlighting simply cement the need for the region to reinvigorate its efforts and engage in new solutions to help the vulnerable groups and those living in poverty within the region.
He says urgent response is required and is calling on both governments and private sector to work together to improve the region's food security outcomes. Ayanna Carter, TTT News.